this is my modified oximeter. And if I have to go to the hospital, the red button, you have to press this button, click on, and you can talk to the doctor, and the doctor can say us where is the oxygen bed available at your nearest hospital. I've named the rover. Here the plastic gets separated and goes into the plastic tank. Rest of the garbage goes into the waste tank. The plastic can then be recycled. I love animals, so I want to invent something that would save them. ASU, Animal Sensing Unit, that senses an animal crossing the road or highway.
To let everybody know about the insurance policies, my idea is to create videos and send it through WhatsApp and TV, since those two are the two sources of information everybody uses and sees.
So I've coming up with a new project called Helping Hands. This is basically a project of manufacture masks to the nation, and we believe in helping as much as can we do. In the market, this mask rate is 5 rupees, but we are coming with a new idea. But by selling this mask at 2 rupees.
I want to innovate a bioscanner which scans its surroundings for any new type of viruses in its atmosphere and people.
This is my new model, which there are two robo-birds. They have antenna on their head. One throws seeds, one throws water balls. In 2-3 years, when he grows, then we get nice shade, nice oxygen, nice air.
My idea is to ask anyone who has this technology who can use it in schools and offices. This way we can cut less trees. Another idea is to support causes like Indus Green Saviors that plants more trees.
So COVID-19 bed detector would be an innovative device that would help in detecting the COVID-19 virus at the earliest. So yeah, even before the RT-PCR test means the swab test becomes positive. So you can detect the virus in the incubation period itself. It is a pocket held device. It is a small device. When you blow through it, the sensor detects if the patient is COVID positive or not. People are throwing waste in space. That's why I have made a robot which cleans space. There is an antenna to send signals and receive signals to Earth, and there is a camera. Scientists can see where is the waste, and the scientists send the signal from the Earth, and the robot cleans it.
What I would like to do is create a pet rescue center which would collect street dogs, abandoned dogs, and not only dogs, not limited to one species.